The way people are cooking chicken breast sucks. 2 bone-in, skin-on chicken boobies. 10-inch skillet. Half a bunch of parsley. In. Head of garlic. Cut in half. Like that. In. 1 lemon. Slice. Spread that out. Extra virgin olive oil. Chicken in. Them brothers dry. Olive oil. Give them a nice little rub down. Salt. A lot of salt. Pepper. Obviously both sides. Into the oven. 425 Fahrenheit. 20 to 30 minutes. Or until it looks like this. Internal temp 165. Quick bee. Look at that dry shit. And she juicy.
This is how you make a keto-friendly steak and cheese burrito. First, you start off with a frozen steak. If you're not a professional chef and you don't have a professionally sharpened knife, it's the easiest way to cut it super ultra thin. Now you gotta season the steak. Put it in a Ziploc bag and add some soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, thyme, paprika, and garlic. Let the meat chill in the seasoning, then fry it on a frying pan in its own juices. Next up, cut the vegetables. I used green peppers and red peppers. The key to this burrito is slicing the onions and the mushrooms ultra super thin. But if you hate mushrooms or if you hate any of these vegetables, you can easily leave them out. Saute all the vegetables on a medium frying pan and then set all the ingredients aside. Put some mozzarella cheese on a medium frying pan, and when it's golden brown around the edges, take it off and place it on a cutting board. On top of the steak, add some slices of provolone cheese, and on top of that provolone cheese, proceed to add the vegetables. Then tuck the sides in, roll it up, and this is a keto-friendly steak and cheese burrito in all its glory. Look at how awesome this thing looks.
Old Bay shrimp burrito. Add mayo, sriracha, lime juice, dill pickles, Dijon mustard, Old Bay, and salt. Whisk and set it aside. Now add onion, green pepper, and garlic in a skillet. Now add your shrimp, ground cumin, ground paprika, salt, and pepper. Aggressively flip it around like a professional. Cook for 3 minutes and set aside. Assemble your burrito in this order: rice, shrimp, shredded cheese, lettuce, salsa, and avocado. Sprinkle some chives. Roll the burrito with confidence. Crisp both sides of the burrito. Slice it up, drool, drizzle your aioli on top, and devour.
Hash browns are for wimps. You can do better. We're making a potato galette. It's French. Peel 1 large potato. Cheesecloth. Grate. Twist and wring. Wring out the excess moisture. Heat 8-inch skillet, medium-low heat. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons canola oil, peanut oil, or leftover bacon fat. Add half of the potato. Freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Remaining potato on top. Salt. Cook 5 to 6 minutes until golden on the bottom. Turn up the heat to medium to make sure it's nice and golden. 1 to 2 minutes. See how it's nicely golden around the edges? It's time to flip. Flip. Add a little more oil so it doesn't burn. Cook medium-low heat 5 to 6 more minutes. Salt, pepper, parsley, Parmigiano Reggiano, dill. Oh yeah.
Sesame chicken. We're gonna start with 2 chicken thighs. These chicken thighs are fat, bruh. And then you're gonna cut them into little bite-sized pieces and trim it up just a little bit. And then you're gonna put it into a bowl. Into that bowl goes a whole egg, about half a cup of cornstarch, and season with salt and pepper. You can leave out the yolk if you want, but to be less eggy, but I just left it in. Mince up about a tablespoon of garlic, and then into a wok or pan or whatever, you're gonna put a little bit of oil. We're gonna shallow fry it about 1 inch. Bring it up to heat. Check with a chopstick. If it bubbles around, then it's ready. In goes the chicken. You're gonna fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Just keep mixing it up, and then out they go. Then using the oil that you used to fry, you can dump most of it out, leave a little bit left. Add the garlic, a teaspoon of chili flakes, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a little bit of water, a little bit of rice wine vinegar, a little bit of sesame seeds, a little bit of sesame oil, and a little bit of cornstarch mixed with water. And that's going to thicken up the sauce. And then add back the chicken and mix it up. Finish with sesame seeds, and yes!